The standing, alternating, supinated dumbbell bicep curl primarily targets the long head of the biceps. Using a constant supinated palms up position during the curl keeps continuous tension on the long head of the biceps throughout the movement, while a supinating grip, where you start with a neutral grip then rotate to palms up, engages both the biceps brachii and the brachioradialis more effectively. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand tall with your feet approximately shoulder width apart. Hold a dumbbell in each hand with a neutral grip with your palms facing forward. Keep your arms fully extended down by your sides with your elbows close to your torso. Engage your core and keep your back straight throughout the movement. Without rotating your wrist, curl one dumbbell up by bending your elbow. Keep your palm facing forward as you lift the dumbbell up towards your shoulder. Your upper arm should remain stationary with only your forearm moving. Focus on squeezing your bicep at the top of the movement. Under control, slowly lower the dumbbell back to the starting position by fully extending your arm at the bottom while flexing your tricep. Keep your shoulders down and relaxed and avoid any swinging or use of momentum. Repeat the same movement with the opposite arm, curling the dumbbell while keeping your palm facing forward. Exhale as you lift the dumbbell and inhale as you lower it back down. Continue alternating between arms with each rep. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.